Hey everyone, Preetham. Before we jump into the use cases, I just want to highlight how much of a problem knowledge management, knowledge discovery really is. According to studies, employees spend 19% of their time looking for information across an average of 137 organizational apps. And additionally, 53% of employees say they're struggling to find information and it's hurting company productivity. And the way this whole knowledge management, knowledge discovery issue surfaces up is these questions right here. You probably see it on Slack, Teams, Google Chat, whatever it is. How do I do this? Who do I ask for this? And it's never ending, right? And the way you solve this, we believe, is through GoSearch, getting quick, easy access to all your different questions, the knowledge discovery, knowledge management. And so the first use case I want to highlight here is a simple question. How do I reset my password? I've asked this question. I've seen this question be asked this week. I've seen it be asked last week. Some of the audience members might have asked this question as well. And through our Go AI chat feature, something that requires IT to get involved, solve that live with someone, you could just ask a question in Go AI chat, and it's going to find relevant resources that are already in your company tools. For us, it's Google Drive. So it's going to find resources about MacBook password reset, Google account password reset, and Go AI chat is going to give you a summary based on the information in those documents and help troubleshoot with the user. So it's going to tell you, okay, this is how you do it. But if the user had a question after that, it's going to help solve it. And you can continue that conversation because it has context. All right, next use case, which is about what is the boot staff schedule for Octane? So Octane is a conference held by Okta every year. And this year we had some of our team members attend it. And let's say, you're a social media manager, you want the attendees to post to LinkedIn, post on Instagram stories, but on the marketing team, you probably don't have too much visibility into like conference attending and all of that. So what's the quickest way? Do I go message on Slack, find the right person, get them to answer or show me the resource? Or I could use GoSearch. Simple question, what is the boot staff schedule for Octane? And it's going to show me search results with the actual staff schedule, or you can look at our Go AI assistant summary and get the times, the people. It's able to pull all that information, summarize it for you so that I see George was attending Octane. Okay, I'm going to look at George's information. I'm going to message him directly on his phone number. I don't even need Slack so that I can get the images posted to our stories and so on. Lastly, our third use case is custom GPTs. So if you haven't heard about custom GPTs, it lets you make a purpose-driven, instruction-based AI assistant. Over here in the example is an IT help desk custom GPT. We told it to help troubleshoot any kind of IT issues with users. You're going to ask relevant questions like what device or whatever you need, whatever information you need to help solve a user's problem. For example, let's say I'm trying to find our internal reimbursement policy, but I keep hitting a 404 error code on that web page. So I use our IT help desk GPT and just say, hey, I'm getting this error code when I try to go to the reimbursement page. Could you help me out? Our IT help desk custom GPT is going to look at our internal data to see if there's any resources about reimbursement policy, but it's also going to ask relevant questions like, hey, what device are you using? Is your internet okay? What's the link you're looking at that's causing this issue? And it's going to tell you how to solve it and show you the actual reimbursement policy resource. So these are just 3 use cases. You use custom GPTs, AI chat, or search results. The problem we're solving is the same: knowledge discovery, discoverability, knowledge management. How do we make it quick and easy to access all this information internally for all your employees?